Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change keyboard touch and hold delay time on Samsung device on Android. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first go into your settings like that. There, scroll down until you find General Management. There, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. There, scroll down until you find Swipe, Touch and Feedback. There, select Keyboard Touch and Hold Delay option. And there you can switch between short, medium or long, or you can send custom touch and hold delay. Just tap and hold for some time that you want to adjust your touch and hold delay. Just like that, and when you're done, tap save. That's how it works. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.